Finally. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. As always, appreciate you guys joining me on my channel. And as you know, for about a month now or so, I've been rebuilding my engine, pulled out the car, and I have started to, clean up and all of that. However, I have ordered parts because I want to rebuild with fresh parts like clutch, main bearings, Conrad bearings, oil pump, the old seal, so I've been basically waiting on these parts for over 3 weeks now, and I went by the shipping company today and picked them up, and trust me guys, nothing feels better because I've been waiting a long while. But now the work starts. I see I get everything here. I mean, I had rods, the whole seal kit, bearings, clutch, oil pump, yeah. So the whole lot is here, guys. And today I just want to, it's the day before Christmas. I want to just take the time out to wish you guys a very merry and happy holiday. Enjoy all the eatings tomorrow with the family and all of that. Just go and chill, be safe. And right after the holiday, guys, I'll be attacking the car again, just to put the engine together and then drop it back in the car so we can get on the road again. It's been too long down, and trust me, I miss my car. So have a good holiday, guys, and catch you right after. So this is the next block I have, guys. Hold on. Yes, guys, so this is the next block I have. I want to do some cleanup on it. As I was saying, you can see in the cylinders, it's not as clean and pretty as, let me get this brighter. It's not as clean and pretty as the other one. See? So like this cylinder, it's smooth and nice, but can't use this block anymore, so that's it. I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna do some cleanup on this right now, pull it apart and clean it up. I think I'm gonna need to, these aisle skirt that you're looking at down in there, those little nipple thing. I'm gonna have to take them out of this block, put them in this block, because none is in this. None is in this. But I'm gonna pull up that block today now, guys. Go and clean it up, get it fresh up, and use this one.
Alright, I like what you got there. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Hey yo, shut it down.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, see they act, never got a roll with ice.
Hey guys, so you see, let me show you this. So this is down in this block, but it's been put on for a while now. But believe me, it's good. Because as a matter of fact, I also remember that on that block over there, a lot of the oil pan bolt holes are either reamed out, and I think I have like one or two bolt broken in it over there under where you bolt up the oil pan. So this is a much better block when it comes to all of that bolts and holes and stuff like that, So I don't think nothing beats a little gas and a piece of cloth to clean out these areas, because there's no chipping or anything like that, no scratching. It's just because it's put down for a while, and you get it like that. But yes, guys, I'm gonna clean it up first. Just gonna use some gas and cloth and kind of just wipe it down, make sure that all the areas are clean and nice, and we'll be ready for bolting down the crankshaft. Alright guys, so you see these little squirter, you're gonna wanna run you know, just wash them out with a little gas and get a fine. Don't get something that can break off in there. This is a little plastic, very stiff but flexible at the same time, so you can get it down in there and make sure that it goes right down. However, it's not going to come back through because it has some little ball, like a little steel ball down in there. I think that's to actually make the pressure when it's squirting. So anyway, you just want to make sure that this is free, you know, and you wash it up back with the gas. Yeah. And you do this to all 4 of them. Let's make sure that it's free. The hole is free. And down in this little section is also clean and nice. Yeah. So this is these 4 squirter, oil squirter. So, you know, for the girl, well, I won't say anything else. Squirter, oil squirter.
Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People they're quick, like they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna throw them bitch, nah. Cool, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cool, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People they're quick, like they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna throw them bitch, nah. Generations caught up.